the steam train? They must be coming round the bend. Mickey and all the gang will be here any minute now.
Casey Jr. coming down the track with a smoky stack. Hear him coughing coming round the hill. Casey's here to thrill every Jack and Jill.
Look everyone, the steam train's arriving from Mickey's Toontown. Now we can open the Magic Kingdom. Hip, hip, hooray!
Casey Jr.'s back. Casey Jr.'s back again. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. My, oh my, what a wonderful day. Plenty of sunshine on my way. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. Zippity-doo-dah, down the train. Coming down the track with a smoky stack. Plenty of sunshine round the way. Casey's here to doo-dah, Jack and Jill.
Let's hear it for Mickey, the Schaefer family, and all the gang!
Hi, everybody. Gosh, it's great to see you.
Gee, Mickey, we thought you'd never get here. It certainly is great to see you and all your friends, too. Isn't it, everyone? So, Mickey, are we ready to open the Magic Kingdom?
Yep, we sure are, aren't we, gang?
Great, let's say hi to the Schaefer family. Come on over. They're getting a big handful of pixie dust. They're going to throw the pixie dust to help open the park.
Gosh, that's swell. Hi there. Thanks for helping us today.
All right, everyone, let's all do a countdown backwards from 10 to open the park. Mickey?
Okay, gang, count nice and loud. Here we go.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Magic Kingdom, everybody.
Something magic wrapped up in pixie dust. Welcome to a place where dreams come true. A timeless journey through lands of fantasy. With only a wish, creates things like this to appear. The most magical place, the most magical place on earth.
Thanks, everyone, for joining us. And a very special thanks to the Schaefer family for helping us out today. You were great.
Bye now, and have a Disney day.
We now ask that you please walk slowly and safely to your destination and enjoy the rest of your day in the Magic Kingdom.